we're gonna do a little get ready with me as we do our makeup video.
Okay, Kim, we got a lot of new things to show off.
For everyone who doesn't know, I'm Kim.
And I'm Grandma Gail.
We're gonna start by using these brushes from Tarte. First, we're gonna use this bronzer from the bestseller sets from Tarte C. I am 26 years old and I'm 5'2". Good things come in small packages,
Correct.
right?
I'm also 5'2", and I am 80.
Now we're gonna do shadow from Tarte as well.
I grew up in Westchester County.
I grew up in New York City and it wasn't really anything like Gossip Girl.
I was actually most likely to succeed, and look what I'm doing.
I was most likely to marry Zac Efron and become famous.
Oh, well, that would have been very good, marrying Zac Efron.
Still have time.
The only thing I don't like is a coriander.
What is that?
Coriander's like a green leaf.
I'm allergic to pollen and any fruit with skin on it. Time for party ready lashes.
This is the prettiest eyelash curler I've ever seen.
I just started playing golf a few years ago. That's my only sport, not a sports girl.
You played basketball when you were in high school.
I
You
shot
went
for the wrong
way.
team.
I know, you went the wrong way, but it's all right.
I collect playbills.
I collect old French glass. For my lips, I'm using 3 different products from MAC, which happens to be my lipstick of choice for over 20 years.
And I am using Tarte for my lips.
I think my favorite holiday trip was to go to Africa on a safari with my children.
My favorite trip, I think, was when we went to Greece. All of these items, I think, would make great gifts for the upcoming holiday season.
Shop these items and more on QVC.com.